So don't you just hate it when you're sitting in lecture and the professor asks, does anyone have any questions? But you and everyone else in the class are just so lost that you don't even know what question to ask? Well, that's what we felt when we developed Firefly. So let me walk you through it. So I'm going to be the lecturer, and Jerome here is going to be my student. So when I join, I'm going to make a lecture name. So we're going to talk about pipelining today. And my name is Michael. We're going to start our session, and I'm going to add sections that represent parts of my lecture for today. So first we're going to talk about, we'll talk about fetch, and let's give it a description of slides 1 to 10. Then let's talk a bit about the decode process, and these are going to be slides 11 through 25, and then we'll just add one more just for execute. And these are going to be slides 26 to 40. Now, once I hit done, it's going to create a session ID, and Jerome here, as a student, is going to be joining my session.
So then I'll put the session ID in, MC5 UDUT, and I'll enter my name.
And so now Jerome has joined my session. And so as I'm going over the slide, Jerome's going to give a rating of how confident he feels about what's going on. So how do you feel about fetch, Jerome?
I think I feel 3 right now.
So as Jerome does that, in real time, it's going to update the average confidence rating of all the students. So if there are other students, it would give an average here. So we'll just really quickly go through this. So he'll give a 4, and for execute, we'll give a 2. And so now this is the final screen at the end of our lecture. And as you can see, I have all the average ratings for each section. And Jerome has his ratings per section. And so now if we both hit our dashboards, we're going to be shown all of our historic data that's stored in a MongoDB server. So here's all the other lectures that I've taught, and here's all the other lectures that Jerome has been in.